If you've been looking for a perfect smart money concepts tool that can identify market structure in real time and give you highly accurate trade entries, the Price Action Concepts by LuxAlgo is exactly what you need. This tool might look a bit advanced if you're a beginner, but don't worry. In today's video, I will teach you an easy and effective way of using it so that you can make profits like this consistently from any market. I will also backtest this strategy 100 times on the price of Ethereum USDT on a 1-minute time frame. In order to add this indicator to the chart, we'll need to head over to the Indicator section and select the LuxAlgo Premium Price Action Concepts. Haven't heard of LuxAlgo yet? It's an all-in-one indicator with over 20 features designed to give traders useful signals and overlays. It's fully packed with tools for technical analysis. LuxAlgo is the top provider of technical indicators globally, trusted by over 50,000 traders. With the Ultimate membership, you get advanced signals and overlays, estimates of institutional volume, and over 20 other premium features. These include highly rated indicators developed from community feedback, access to a Discord community with scanners and bots, real-time alerts, non-repainting signals, and much more. These indicators work on any market on TradingView, such as stocks, crypto, forex, futures, and commodities, and on all time frames. They're versatile, fitting any trading style like scalping, swing trading, or investing, and are great for uncovering technical insights. If you're serious about elevating your trading skills and building a career in this field, LuxAlgo offers 3 plans. The Essential plan includes the Price Action Concepts Toolkit. The Premium plan adds the Signals and Overlays Toolkit with built-in AI, plus the Oscillator Matrix Indicator and the Price Action Concepts Toolkit. I personally chose the Ultimate plan, which combines all 3 toolkits and 3 backtesting system strategy scripts. So we have the indicator installed, and now let me quickly explain what it consists of. Okay, so let's first start with this CHACH, or change of character label. This can be bullish or bearish. A bullish change of character occurs whenever the price action breaks above the most recent swing high for the first time. Notice the price action was heading downwards, and then the market made a pullback. As soon as the price action broke above the peak of the second wave, a bullish change of character label was printed. This indicates that the market is potentially reversing to the upside or simply entering a consolidation phase. The change of character can be considered an entry point. However, I'd be very careful with that because the trend is not confirmed yet. On the other hand, a bearish change of character occurs whenever the price action breaks below the most recent swing low. So here we see that this bearish candlestick broke below the most recent swing low. This indicates a momentum change from bullish to bearish. The indicator spotted that and printed a bearish change of character. Alright, now let's move on to the next label, which is break of structure, or BOS. This can also be bullish or bearish. A bullish break of structure occurs whenever the price action breaks above the most recent swing high for the second time. So here we see a structure where the market has formed 2 higher highs and then continued to move to the upside, breaking the most recent higher high again. For example, if we had the price moving to the downside where this bearish candlestick crosses and closes below the recent swing low, a bearish change of character would have occurred. On the other hand, a bearish break of structure occurs whenever the price action breaks below the most recent swing low for the second time. This indicates that the market is officially in a downtrend and is more likely to continue to move to the downside. Unlike the change of character, the break of structure label can be considered an entry point. This indicator also identifies high liquidity zones in the price action. It shows the proportion of bearish and bullish volumes, which is very important to know. It also shows the overall volume in the market at a certain price level. This basically tells us how interested the market participants are in buying or selling the security at a certain price. Okay, now we know 2 core built-in toolkits for our strategy. Let me now teach you how to use it in practice when entering long and short trades. Okay, let's first learn the rules for entering a long trade. First, the indicator must print a bullish break of structure label. As we already know, this happens when the price action breaks above the most recent swing high. Second, the candlestick that breaks the structure must be bullish, and it must be really strong. Third, the bullish volume on the most recent volumetric order block must be higher than the bearish volume. This means that the green bar must be longer than the red bar. If these conditions are met, a buy order will be placed at the close of the trigger candlestick. The stop loss will be set slightly below the most recent order block, and the take profit target will be set at 1.5 times the risk. Here's another example for a long trade. We see the indicator just spotted a bullish break of structure. The candlestick that created a breakout is bullish and very strong. Also, if we take a look at the most recent volumetric order block, we see that the volume is mainly bullish. The rules for taking a short trade are exactly the opposite. First, the indicator must print a bearish break of structure label. Second, the candlestick that broke the structure must be a really strong bearish candlestick. Third, the bearish volume on the most recent volumetric order block must be higher than the bullish volume. The stop loss will be set slightly above the most recent order block, and the take profit target will stay the same as for long positions. Okay traders, now you know exactly how to use this indicator. Now let's move on to the backtesting to find out its true win rate. After taking 100 trades with the strategy, we can see that the results look really good. I started trading with a $1,000 account balance and I used 10% of my account per trade. For example, if I profited $100 on a trade, my new balance was $5,100, and I used 10% of this updated balance for the next trade, and I increased my account size by almost $2,100 to $3,100. By the way, I found those setups within 3 weeks. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, and stocks, check out this video right here.